Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable embedding in YouTube videos on your PC. Embedding allows others to share your videos on their websites or blogs, but there may be instances when you want to have more control over the distribution of your content. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple steps to disable embedding in YouTube videos. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, navigate it to the Content section. Step 3. Select the video for which you want to disable embedding and click on Details to access the video's settings. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Show More option and click on it to reveal additional settings. Step 5. Look for the Licenses section and disable the checkbox to turn off embedding for your video. By following these quick and easy steps, you can disable embedding in YouTube videos on your PC. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials on YouTube and other tech-related topics.